This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick white sauce. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. This simple method ensures a smooth, creamy sauce every time, perfect for many dishes. Get ready to transform butter, flour, and milk into a versatile culinary staple in minutes. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 minute, allowing the flour to cook slightly. This creates a pale, smooth paste, which is the essential base for our delicious white sauce. Now, slowly pour in 1 cup of cold milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. The sauce will gradually thicken as it heats. Maintain a steady whisk until it reaches your desired creamy consistency, usually within 2 to 3 minutes. Once thickened, remove the sauce from the heat. Season it with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of white pepper. For a cheesy variation, stir in some shredded cheese to create a rich Mornay sauce. Serve your quick white sauce immediately over pasta, steamed vegetables, or as a base for casseroles. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.